Happy holidays, guys. It's been a while, and yeah, it's almost Christmas, and this is our first Christmas in our new home. So yeah, I'm just taking you through a very little tour of the mini decor that I've done for the Christmas, mostly around the stairs and in the living room. So as I opened the door and I came in, I'm just showing you how it looks going upstairs. I just put some lanterns there and in the dark, and then this is how it looks when the lights are on. I put the lights back on, and that is how they look. So I'm going down from the up of the stairs, going down. That is how it is. It's just a simple mini decor. I actually have no idea what to do yet, so because I've not really done any painting or anything else in the house, it's just a simple decor that I decided to just go for. Just put some lights on the stairs. And so yeah, let's go down. This is the DIY I did some time ago in my other videos. So let's open the living room. So when I open this door, I open this door right now from the kitchen side, actually not from the main door side. So this is the view from the kitchen side. When I open the door, this is the daytime view, so it's a bit more brighter. I've not really shown the shelf that I did in that corner yet. I think I will be putting like all of that in a different video soon. And so this is my Christmas tree. I went for a white Christmas tree as I had this one wrapped down already, and I did not want to just go for another one again. So I just decided to decorate this because yeah, it's so easy and simple for me to do, and it also even matches the room and everything so far in the room is like neutral, and I think it's okay. And on the wall there is those glitter stuff that I used in my bathroom. So this is how the room look again, coming from the kitchen side in the dark. I actually wanted to show the tree how it looks when it's really dark. It's quite really nice because it lights up on its own. It lights different, like green, blue, like different kind of colors, and I like it. And so this is also like brighter time, and that is how that shelves they look. I just decided to decorate these bottles and stuff that are there. I did my own like DIYs, and then I put them in. That black round looking stuff there was also a DIY. And so this is the TV side where I just put some little kind of those kind of fluffy red Christmas decor stuff on it, and just, you know, just glow things up a little bit since I don't want anything just a very simple decor. And so I'm going to show you how the tree looks before I put it all together. It was wrapped up and I left it in the shed. I decided not to just start it until now. So yeah, I brought it out, and I'm just setting up the things that it came with. So this is the stand on which it goes on. I guess I should have gotten some kind of that fabric around it to cover the bottom, but well, I do not have time for that. This is so yeah, I'm just putting the tree all together, and then just putting some bit of glow, like more color into it, because it's too neutral that when I leave it just like that, it will just turn like, you know, a bare boring tree. And that was it, all done very quickly. So on the table now, when we go to the table, it's also very simple stuff. This lantern, I bought it from Welco with a candle. It's just so nice, so glowy. When it's really nice, it gives that Christmas vibe. And that plate is from B&M, and I set all those ones up for a long time ago before I put this little kind of glowy Christmas stuff around it. Those ones were always on the table anyway. And so yeah, this is my living room at the moment. Christmas already cozy in cold times, ready to get all wrapped up for the season and the Christmas, and you know, just watching movies and indoors. I hope you enjoyed today's quick short living room tour. See you next time.